this video, I will show you how to block malicious drivers with Windows Security. Windows Security, formerly known as Windows Defender, is Windows native antivirus software that keeps your system protected all around. It has been considered a reasonable protection software sufficient to protect a PC, thus not requiring additional software to add another layer of security. Now Microsoft has added another feature to Windows Security, that is a driver block list named Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Block List. With this feature, Windows can now block drivers from running on your PC. So what is Windows Security Vulnerable Driver Block List? Microsoft works closely with independent hardware vendors, that is IHVs, who need to get their drivers approved before they can send to the public through Windows Update. Therefore, those drivers are pre-verified and completely safe to run on your PC. However, malicious drivers can be blocked through the new Windows Security Driver Block List. This is a list compiled by Microsoft itself that blocks such drivers from running on your computer. Microsoft does not allow you to block drivers manually, since blocking critical system drivers can cause drivers or software malfunction or even cause blue screen of death. So let me show you how to enable this feature on Windows machine. Just go to the Start menu, from there to the Windows Settings. Now from here Settings apps, go to the Privacy and Security. Now from here go to the Windows Security, you can see it on the top. Just click on that. And from there to the Device Security. Now you will get the Windows Security feature here, that is formerly known as Windows Defender. Now from here click on Core Isolation Details, the blue link here, just click on that. Now here under the Memory Integrity, toggle the switch into the on position. Right now I have turned it on, and it says prevent attack from inserting malicious code into the high integrity process. So it's always advised to turn this on. Once you have turned it on, you have to restart your computer for changes to take effect. And once the computer reboots, the memory integrity will be enabled and the drivers predefined by Microsoft will be blocked. You can now activate or deactivate this feature as you wish. However, it is recommended to keep it enabled. So this is how you can block malicious drivers with Windows Security. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.